my name is Monika Bielka-Vescovi, and I'm a director of Napa Valley Wine Education Center. I'm a WSET Diploma certified. I'm also certified sommelier with International Sommelier Guild. I have a master's degree in economics. I'm a wine journalist, and I'm also a wine judge. Well, it is my passion for people, food and wine, geology, geography, and history, because wine combines all of those things together, giving an amazing experiences to everyone who's involved. So my journey started actually here in the US, and I started managing fine dining restaurant, and I started studying. I studied from the level 1 all the way to diploma. Right now I'm in a Master of Wine program, stage 2 candidate, and I will be taking my exam shortly. The life course, it's Wine One-on-One Napa experience. Once you come to Napa, we offer a beautiful experience and an entryway to start really enjoying wines. We'll bring you to the classroom and we teach you about the major international grape varieties, about the food and wine pairings. We also teach you about the wine and music. We teach you how to serve wine. We teach you how to speak about wine and how to accurately taste the wines. After this course, you will be ready to take a journey through Napa Valley. So when I'm not in the vineyards, when I'm not teaching about wine or simply studying about wine, I'm a mushroom hunter. I go to the forest. It's my form of meditation. I love nature. I love spending time in nature. I love hiking, and I love camping. So when there's rain, you probably won't see me in Napa. I will be somewhere where the mushrooms grow. But besides that, I also collect porcelain.